How to make a simple welding machine. It's very easy and useful. First, you need a battery. Cut off the top cover of the battery with a knife. Insert the battery into the drill chuck. Turn on the drill. Use a hacksaw to make a cut on the edge of the battery. Use a knife to remove the cut edge. Remove the graphite rod from the battery. Insert the rod into the drill chuck. Turn on the drill and sharpen the graphite rod. Now you need a metal bar of any profile. In the video, the bar has a square profile. This will be the holder for the graphite rod. Drill holes in the edges of the bar on the inside. Now drill holes on the sides of the bar. Cut a thread in the side holes. Insert the bar into the cut piece of rubber hose. Bend the bar. Insert the graphite rod into the hole in the bar and secure it with a bolt. Now you need a 2-pin adapter for the laptop charger. Secure one of the adapter pins with a bolt in the hole in the metal bar. Attach a clamp to the other adapter pin. And this is the laptop charger. Connect the charger and adapter connectors. Plug the charger into the mains. Your homemade simple mini welding machine is ready to use. You can try this simple spot welding on a broken metal kettle, for example. Cut small segments from a thin metal plate. Insert the metal segments into the places where you will be welding. Attach the welding contact clamp to the kettle. When the graphite rod comes into contact with the metal surface, it will heat up, the thin metal segments will melt and weld the metal surfaces together. As you can see, it's easy and simple, and most importantly, very cheap.